Hey crafty friends, there we go. I have a design team project for scrapbooking with me. And this is an altered canvas using the Prima Havana collection. And it's just so beautiful. I used a 12 by 12 sheet in the background because it has that foiled paper on the 12 by 12. And then I think that this sheet back here looks like it has foiling, so that must be by the 12 by 12 as well. I started out kind of wanting this to be real mixed media, and it is. But I started out wanting it like super mixed media, and then it kind of gravitated towards mixed media shabby chic. So what I did first was I gessoed the entire canvas, and I put this lace all around the edge and on the corner, two corners, this corner and this corner. I put a corner applique, and then I layered some flat back trim, which you can see there, and I gessoed that on this edge and this edge. I used this one. Then I gessoed over it, and then I used some sprays from my stash to make it pink. And then after that, it gravitated to more shabby chic. So I had this large bird cage in my stash, and I gessoed it white. I picked my paper for the center, the Prima Havana paper. And then this was something I had picked up at Michael's, and I gessoed that, and I added this layer on the inside, and that was from one of my Prima molds. And then I was like, oh, I'm going to stick a key in that. So that's what I did there. Then underneath, I have a metal piece, a heart with wings that I attached there. There's a metal piece under here, and then this is another one of the molds. I made that heart, and then I put these little flowers, flat back flowers kind of throughout, and there's a lot of bling from my stash. There's some layered metals up here, and gorgeous bling. You guys know where I get my bling from. And then I broke out my my flower dies, my Graphic 45 flower dies. And these are the ones that come with one of the tag dies. And so you can see how layered and beautiful they come out. And then I just use these little flower center, or these flat back flowers as my centers. These flowers here, I got at Scrapbooking with me. And these are some Prima flowers that are for sale in the store. These as well. All of these, I just took the center out and added my own bling. They have real pretty centers, but they're gold, and I wanted them to be, more silver. So I fussy cut a bird here from the collection, and there's a metal branch there, and there's a bird up at the top. Then I wanted my title to be Unlock Your Dreams because of the key in the lock. These are some wood pieces I got at my local craft store. There's one in the other top corner there. And then more of the Graphic 45 dies. And I just used the paper collection so that it would match. And then this is another one of the Prima flowers I got from one of the collections I had still left over from another project. And then another beautiful flower cluster here with the same Graphic 45 dies, and then the Prima layered flowers here. There's another bird here. This is meant to either hang or to be put on an easel. And there's another bird there, and you can see the branch a little bit better here. I just gessoed that branch. So I hope you like it. I hope you will go get you the Prima Havana collection. It is stunning. And I have some other plans for this collection as well. But I do love altering canvases. And if anybody's interested in this, I will be putting it on my Etsy store. But I usually give you guys a couple of days first. So if you're interested, you can email me. My email is always in the description box down below, along with all the information to get a hold of scrapbooking with me, to join the social media, and just get really involved with everything there, as well as the link to the store. And as always, drum roll, my coupon code. So be sure to use my coupon code. And thanks for watching, guys. Have a happy scrappy day. Bye.